Hey everyone, welcome to Junior Coding channel. So here I upload only Vita Junior projects. So if you like means please like, share and subscribe. So yeah, actually this is project space shooting 2 bullets. Okay, so this is part 2 of space shooting. So in this part 3, so in this what we are going to make means we are going to create bullets. Yes, okay, so here I changed it the name as space shooting 3 bullets. Okay, fine. So yes, in this video you will be knowing that how to create a bullets. Okay, so first I'll show you the output. So like this only, this is the continuation of this space shooting 1 and space shooting 2. So the enemies will be coming. So when we are clicking on space button, the bullet will be coming with the sound. Okay, wait, see, now we can hear it, right? Okay, so you'll ask why the enemies are not disappearing, why the enemies are not vanishing, like that you'll be asking. Right, so that will be we will be doing in class 11 project. So yes, please be waiting. Okay, so yes, so this is only called space shooting 3 bullets. So let's see how to code for this. So first, like all the things are same only. So in this we'll be adding only bullets, but also I'll just add I'll say fully. Okay, so initiate game state. Game state is nothing but we'll be having play, serve, end. So there are totally 3 game states which Vita Junior has been teaching me. One is play, serve and end. Okay, so here I wrote about play. So variable play is equal to 0 value. So this 0 is equal to value. Now we're giving 5 or 1 or any number means that is called as value. So giving this play sprite a value. Okay, so I gave for the play sprite as 0. So game state is equals to play. So at the down in this function draw you will be writing about the game state. So in this game state what we are going to write means we will see in this video. Okay, so game state is equals to play, then create a space. So we are creating a space, then we have to create an enemy group. So the enemy is coming down, like the enemies are just look at, so the enemies are coming one by one, right? So for that we have to create an enemy group. For the bullets we have to create as bullet groups. So in this video you will be seeing how to create a groups, what is game state. Okay, and we are creating here a player, player ship, this one. Okay, okay, then in function draw I gave as background color white, then here I'll be giving as wait, you know, right, where I gave, wait, yes, so you can see at the line number 38, make the space to move, here only I gave. Okay, I'll see why I gave that. So I I commented this console.log space underscore 1.x, because now in this project we no need. Okay, so now here itself I just said as create the spawn bullets. Okay, so spawn bullets, then 2 slats and semicolon. Okay, so I'll say for this brackets as slats only. Okay, for you I'll say as brackets itself. Okay, so play sounds as bullets.mp3. You know how to add sounds. If you don't know, see, go to settings, click on manage assets. After clicking that you will be getting how to add. Okay, so if you can also record or you can also upload it. Okay, so here in the spawn bullet, after spawn bullet I have wrote play sound. Okay, then, and remember this, I forget to say this one, sorry. So here I added if statement, if condition. Instead that I wrote statement. So in the inside the if condition I wrote game state is equals to play. Remind there should be three equals for any game states. Okay, if you're writing play, or if you're writing serve, or if you're writing end, you have to give three equals. Okay, suppose I just giving, I want to give only two, I want to give only one, this you should not ask me, that is your error. Okay, so you have to check it out. After that you have to give a curly bracket, then if he went down space. So that's why for the bullets I when I'm clicking the space button, the bullets are coming, right? So yes, so the bullets will be coming. And you can ask why the spawn bullets is may I know like that? Yes. So why we created, I mean why in the line number 29 we have been coded as spawn bullets, means at the down you can see here spawn bullets. This is called a function, and you in this video you will be seeing how to create a function and what is a function. Okay, so so we'll be creating here a bullet function. So you cannot copy all the things and you cannot paste it, because it will take so much time, or it can take so much codings, right? So that's why I just wrote a spawn bullets. Now whatever you are writing here, now you just wrote here, copy this, then paste here, then put here brackets and put as semicolon. Okay, now you have been understood, right? Then after that, when I'm clicking the space button, you need to get a sound, right? So I gave us bullet sounds. Then I created here a player sprite to go in X position, you know that, right? How to do. Then how to move the space background, then upgrade the game. So here yeah, I'll show you. Bullet group set color is gray, space dot set animation space dot velocity is equal velocity y is equals to 5, and space dot scale is equals to 2.5. What I'm saying here is we created a bullet group, right? So for that I have to give a color, right? So I gave us gray, but you will be asking why the gray is not there, because here itself I just wrote color and the animation name, so it will not come, so I have to delete this. Afterward I'll delete it. Okay, then space dot animation, so I'm giving the space animation, then I'm giving for the space velocity, then I'm giving a scale for it, you know how to do all this, right? Okay, now here only I'm creating enemies, spawn enemies. So you can give any enemy name, but I gave as this so we can remember easily. Okay, then I wrote as draw sprite. So okay, now we'll see here how to create a function. So here in the line number 59 only I started creating a function called spawn enemy. Okay, so what is function? Already the function draw is there, right? Then why you need to create a function? If you need to create a group, then you have to create a function. So you can see a groups toolbox, right? So here why they have wave for this function only. So here itself they will be giving like a group dot display target, group dot collide. If this enemy should collide the player shipments, you have to give this one. Okay, like how to create means, for example spawn enemy means you are giving your enemy, then you have to give as enemy dot collide player ship, which object you need to collide, you have to give that name into the target. Okay, which object you need to bounce, you can also give like that one. So that is called a groups. For groups you cannot write directly outside like that, group dot displays target, like that you cannot write. For that you have to create a function. Inside that function you have to write, first you have to create a sprite, then you have to give how many sprites you need in one object, then you have to give you can give animations or not animations, then you have to give velocities for it, then you have to give size for it, right? Then at the last you have to give you have to add this enemy group. Okay, so then only for that only groups is there. So sprites is nothing but sprites will be giving outside. You can like this we can write, so separate, but group is we have to write only in the function. So that's why I created called spawn enemy. Then if world dot frame count percent 30 is equals to 0. So what I'm saying here means spawn enemy. So this enemy should come only above the 30%. So 30% means here, wait. Here, no. Wait. So yes, wait. Here. So in this line, the enemies will not be coming. Yeah, here. Okay, so 32 is there. Oh, you can yeah. So in this line, the enemies will not be coming. At the same time, here also the enemies will be coming because I gave here as 0. So 0 where is coming? Let's see. Wait. Okay. So wait. So if you're writing here one thing and here one thing means you can take it as like if you're just writing like this means here there are like what to say, there are actually two meanings for this one. So one is to get the speed for these enemies or to get the positions for it. So I wrote for the speeding only. Okay, so for positions how to write means put 000 again number in which size you need, like now I'm giving like this. So from 30 to 70 it will be taking. Okay, so but I don't need that, so I'll just give a speed. So I just explained for you one part, that's why I didn't write anything. Okay, so next we'll move for the variable enemy is goes to create sprite. We are just creating this sprite and we have to give the number, like we have to give the sprite name. So I gave us number num. Okay, then how many random numbers randomly the enemy should come. So I gave 1 to 4. So in that 1 to 4 only the animations will be coming. Then enemy dot set animation enemy plus num. So I gave enemy, so enemy plus num you have to give. So that's why then only the four randomly enemies will be coming. That's why it is coming now. You will see, so randomly will be coming, right? So okay, so enemy dot y is equals to random number 10 to 100. So y, right? Wait, so wait, so x means here only it will be yeah, here, yes. So x means until this only the enemies will be coming, then it will be disappearing after the 50th. Then 300. Okay, so here it is, I cannot keep correctly. Okay, so here only they will be getting vanished. Then 10 100. So 10 100 means the y position. Oh, correct. So here it will be coming. So 10 means so near, right? Yes, nearly here. So from here only the enemies will be started coming, and 100 is where to go. Yes, here. Some of the enemies will be started coming here also. Okay, so next one, enemy dot velocity y. So I gave us velocity y. Okay, then enemy dot scale, we just give us size for it. Then we are just giving lifetime. So what is lifetime? Lifetime is nothing but we have to end its life. So I gave it as 200. So 200 will not take because I didn't write which position it to take, so it will not take. That's why I just gave here. I just forget it to comment all the things which I know it. Okay, fine, we'll leave it that. So enemy group dot add enemy. Why we wrote this? Because this enemy something is there. So that enemy name should be added into this group. So which group? Enemy group. So that's why I just put it. So let's go to the spawn bullet. Spawn bullet is same only. So variable bullet is goes to create sprite. I'll just say fastly. So we are creating a sprite, then we have to add the animation, then I gave the scale, then I made the bullets. So okay, here I have to explain for you. So bullet.x is equals to player.text. So now you will see, now wherever I'm moving, the even bullets are also coming from this edge, right? See, so like this only will be coming. Can you hear the sound? I just don't know you're hearing or not. Fine. So like this only. So to make like this, you have to write bullet.x. Suppose the suppose your player ship is in Y shape, like in Y position means, then you have to give bullet.y is equals to player.y. Okay, so for example, you're just giving bullet.x, then player.y means it will be coming as error. Okay, or how it will be coming means, here there are two types of errors. One will be coming if you are giving your player ship in only X positions, but you have to give your bullet in X positions, whereas the player ship is moving, like which I did correctly. If you need to make, but some people what will be doing, bullet.y they will be giving. So why, how it will be coming? It will be coming facing it will be facing the in east side, so like that it will be coming. So please be careful. Okay, so bullet dot shape color is equals to red I gave, then bullet dot velocity I gave, then bullet dot depth is equals to play dot depth I gave, then bullet dot lifetime I gave, then bulletproof dot add bullet. So yes, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Junior Coding. Okay, so please subscribe. I'm asking just to subscribe and watch. Who all are watching not subscribe, please subscribe. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you're having any doubts, just comment down below. I just reply you, or I'll just say your name and I'll just clear your doubt. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, bye bye. I'll meet you next video.